For Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 60s. Nearshore forecast. For the following nearshore location, Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley, New York. Small craft advisory in effect until 2 p.m. This afternoon, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots becoming west. Sunny. Waves 3 to 5 feet subsiding to 2 to 4 feet. Waves occasionally around 6 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming south 15 to 20 knots. Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Thursday, south winds 15 to 25 knots becoming southwest. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to... You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Now here...